isn't, aren't.
It rained hard last night, so the roads are still wet. Hard.
Aren't, isn't.
Aren't, isn't.
Hi, Lisa. I'm working from home today because the roads are really icy. It's just too dangerous to drive. How is the weather where you live?
Yes, that was my child who just hid behind the curtains. Hid. Had. Hid.
Ben was in a meeting when he heard thunder. It was very windy outside. A storm was coming, so he turned off his laptop. He was worried.
Wow, I can hear the thunder from my home. Under. Thunder.
Sorry, it's raining hard and I can't hear you guys.
In the morning after a cold, rainy night, the roads are usually icy.
If there is a storm, you may hear some loud thunder.
Aren't, do.
I have a couple of ideas to share with the group. Camel. Couple.
They were roommates before they became a couple. Camel. Couple.
Isn't.
There are a couple of things we need to discuss. First, what's the best date to open our new store? Let's look at the calendar. Any ideas? There are several questions on the agenda today. Agenda.
Have you seen the figures from last month? We only sold a few printers, and we made very little money. How can we make these figures better?
What's on the agenda today?
Not too long. Just a couple of days, I think.
Is $200 a good figure, or is it too high?
Can you give me a moment? The kids have hidden all my pens.